Hey, what is up guys? This is 3MT Reviews and welcome to the unboxing of the new Nokia 4.2. Let me first start by thanking all the subscribers who have supported me and our channel. And if you're new here, you've come to the right place for all your tech needs. So moving on, this is the box for the Nokia 4.2 and this is what the phone looks like. There's now a water drop notch instead of the big rectangular one. The box says the phone has a 5.71 inch 19:9 display. There's a dual setup with a 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel cameras at the back, and there's also an 8 megapixel front facing camera. The phone has a 3000 mAh battery. There's a dedicated Google Assistant button. There's a fingerprint sensor at the back, and it comes with this new Snapdragon 439 chip. So the pricing on the box is rupees 12,999. Since we have the phone before launch, I don't know if that's true, but I'll update it in the description area below. It's now time to bring out my trusty Mora and open this baby up. One slice is what's required, and we'll open the box. So this is the phone here, and we'll keep it to the side for now. In the box, we have a SIM ejector tool. There are two sets of starter guides, in case you lose one maybe, I don't know. Hiding underneath here is this tiny charger, and oh my, this is a 5V 1A charger. This is probably what they call a slow charger. There's a micro USB cable. Also, there are these headphones, not the in-ear type, but it's good to have a pair, I guess. Now let's slide the Nokia 4.2 out. As you can see, there's this water drop notch and a bit of a chin for those who care. In fact, it looks like that the side bezels are thinner than the top one. On the back is a dual camera setup with a flash below it. That's the fingerprint sensor, that's Nokia branding, and it says Android One here. Again, it's a glass back as you expect, and there will be lots of fingerprints as well. On the right is the volume rocker and the power button. It has this white surround, which is actually a notification LED. On the left is the SIM tray and the Google Assistant button. On the top are the secondary microphone and the headphone jack. On the bottom is the main microphone, the micro USB port, and the speaker. Let's also check out the SIM tray. Alright, so Nokia has given us a dedicated SD card slot, which is a good thing. They're not known for doing this. The thing I must mention here is a plastic and glass build. So the Nokia 4.2 doesn't feel as premium as other Nokias do, but still there's this 2.5D curved glass, so it's very good to hold. And if you've seen my previous videos, you'll know I like phones which you can use easily with one hand. Before we move on, here are some specs of the Nokia 4.2. So I have booted up the phone and it's immediately updating some apps. So we'll just have a look at how much storage the phone has. So 10.9 GB of it is being used, which means there's 21.1 GB free. This is the 32 GB variant and it comes with 3 GB of RAM. As expected, the phone is running on Android 9 Pie. Now let's check out the camera. Okay, and there's also the Pro mode. Instantly, there's the slightly different UI for the camera app that I can notice. Let's check out the settings. Oh, okay, so there is RAW file support in the Pro mode. And the picture resolution maxes out at 13 megapixel for the rear and 8 megapixel for the front. For video, you're limited to 1080p on the rear and the front cameras. Let's now drive in the Audi like I usually do and take a few shots. And here are some samples that I clicked. So the initial impressions are that the exposure in pictures is quite predictable, except in challenging conditions like this one. White balance is a bit biased towards cooler colors, I feel, although overall picture quality is quite good. The details in color and video is quite good too, and as you can see, there's no stabilization to speak of. Okay, let's see how good the fingerprint scanner is. It seems quite fast. Even if I just tap it slightly, it unlocks the phone. But I think there's a little bit of lag, but that's only in the screen before it lights up. Okay, now for the face unlock. Press the button and it reads your face. Okay, yeah, so it's not the fastest in the world, but you don't have to swipe up or anything. It directly takes you to the home screen. So that was the Nokia 4.2 unboxing. I'll be doing a full review of the phone soon and let you know what it's like. If there's something specific you want to know, please let me know in the comments below, or you can find me on Twitter. Till then, see ya.